Proper installation of your shutter hinges will ensure a well-functioning and aesthetically appealing shutter. An assistant for this project will be extremely helpful. To install your shutter hinges, first place the shutters in the closed position. Use shims and painter's tape to help hold the shutters in position. Make sure you maintain an even gap or overhang all around the shutter. Next, assemble the hinge and pintle together and tape if needed. Then, position the hinge and pintle on the shutter and mark the hole locations. Next, line up multiple pintles using a level or measuring tape. Next, drill pilot holes and screw the hinge and pintle. This is an important step because pilot holes will help to avoid splitting the wood and/or breaking the screws. Do not over-tighten the screws or drill too deeply through the shutter. Finally, hang the shutter and test its operation. Note, if mounting the pintle on masonry, use a lag pintle and shield anchor or use plastic screw anchors. Drill a hole for the anchor and then install the lag or screws. These are some basic tips and hints for installing shutter hinges. For more information and to find a large selection of shutter hardware, visit our website at jwright.com.